Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Fears, and today this video will be about the Finder utility on an Apple Mac operating system. So to access the Finder, you just have to find the shortcut icon that's in the taskbar at the bottom in the dock. Click on it like so. Took a little while. And within it, you can see everything, like whatever you have labeled under a different tag. I don't think I have anything labeled under any tags, actually. The different locations for the different disks on your laptop or computer device. This has iCloud since it is an Apple product. Recent documents or piece of media, applications, anything that would be a document. This is just like the favorites bar right now. Anything that can be found on the desktop. Ooh, take a little second. A little lag to it. Sorry. So like anything you find around. And within that, you can find everything like the preferences of what you want to do with your Finder. Being able to make a new Finder window, like so. Might bring up the same thing, duplicate. Being able to open up another tab within. Find something within it, know how much space you're in memory you're holding within your Finder and all the data on your computer. I'll just showing desktop right now. Being able to view things in a different way. Like if you just want to see the icons and not too much about it in the desktop. Or if you want to listen in the gallery type format. That'll give you a slight preview. Oh, the lag. And just shortcuts to go to different areas within your Finder. And also being able to search within it also. That's some help if you needed help with using it if you're a first time user like me. And within it, you can also use it to go to the utilities. The utilities folder within the Finder to bring up the activity monitor that I already have open. I think I have it open from the last project. Bluetooth file exchange, Bootcamp Assistant, Centrify, Color Sync, console, this utility, which is another useful utility. Screenshot, migration. A lot of things I'm gonna have to get information on so I can make another video, but all very useful. Minimize that. Put that one down there too. And this is the disk utility. Let's see if I can expand that a little bit. This is my hard drive right here within this utility application. And I didn't know too much about this application. I actually had to like look up some things online about it just so I can figure some things out on how to use it and what all is useful for. And apparently it's just used for being able to check if your operating system it has like a defect in it. If you feel like there's anything wrong with your hard drive or any area of a disk on your computer in your operating system, you can use it to do a scan. You can use it to restore it back to a certain point to make sure you don't follow the same problem if there is a problem. You can use it to format and erase internal disk and external storage devices. Like, I know when I was messing around with it, you can use it to unmount something. So I'm using Firefox's application, and if I wanted to stop using it, I just unmount it. I can restore it back to a point previous where if it's not working properly, and if I can restore it back to a point where it was working properly, I can erase it. I can partition it, which I also had to look up information on, which is being able to copy it and make another disk of it. And first aid, which will run a check to make sure anything is going on. I don't know if it will stop this or not, but I don't want to take the opportunity. But if you have a Mac computer, Mac operating system, then you will use this to run a check on it to make sure there wouldn't be any problems going on with your operating system or any areas on your computer. And that's about it. I'm still getting more knowledge from websites like this, Macworld, and the Apple support site, learning about how to partition, learning about the partition usage on the computer. And that's about it. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned a little bit as much as I learned. Thank you.